Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 26, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a cold front that is dropping through the region this morning, producing a few isolated showers, some low clouds, and light and variable winds that will gradually veer to the northwest. Temperatures throughout the region range from the lower to mid 60s over the higher elevations, upper 60s to mid 70s in your suburbs, and mid 70s in your urban areas, upper 70s down towards southern New Jersey, where the cold front has not just reached yet. So when we take a look at our wind pattern, you can see our nice southwesterly wind out ahead of the cold front right along the Jersey Shore and just south of Long Island. The cold front itself is basically cutting through Long Island and bisecting the I-95 corridor and then dropping south towards the Delmarva Peninsula. As this cold front sinks south, there will be that threat for showers and thunderstorms. You can see the cold front right here. I would say from central New Jersey down through about the Philadelphia metro and southern New Jersey has your best shot for an isolated strong thunderstorm through this afternoon. But I can't rule out a pesky shower or a thunder shower setting up to the north of the frontal boundary as that drier air builds in. So we're definitely going to watch that as we move on through the afternoon hours. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our cold front with a little bit of enhanced lifting, which is associated with this stationary front and possibly maybe a wave of low pressure trying to develop via this trough here. So we're going to have to watch that pretty carefully to see if that instigates a few more thunderstorms than what's currently expected. But as you can see here on the visible satellite picture, we have a lot of cloud cover over the region. So it's going to hamper the ability to create some instability in the atmosphere. But still, watch out for that isolated thunderstorm or two, especially from central Jersey on south. As this cold front sinks south, so will the clearing skies. So I say by this afternoon and evening, especially this evening right around rush hour, we should see clearing skies in the New York City and Philadelphia metro as that drier air builds in. And that's going to be the theme as we move on through this week, as each cold front will introduce a drier air mass and a cooler air mass. It's going to take a little bit of time. After all, this is summer and the heat does like to push back. But the overall theme is a gradual step down to some cooler weather. Probably won't last forever, but at the very least, it will give us a bit of a break in some of this humidity, right? So for today, watch out for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, especially in central and southern New Jersey. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s in the higher elevations and along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia metro, basically the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, the cold front will linger off the coast while the trough swing through the region with a threat for a few isolated showers. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid 80s for the immediate coast and for the interior, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, a stronger cold front will move through more widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. One or two of these could be severe. Look for low temperatures from the mid 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s for the higher elevations, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Thursday, same scenario once again. A stronger cold front moves through with showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the higher elevations, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s for the higher elevations, mid 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, another weak trough will swing on through with just an isolated shower thunderstorm threat. Looks like more of a mix of sun and clouds type of day. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s for higher elevations, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s for the higher elevations, lower to mid 80s along the coast. And then on Saturday and Sunday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected throughout the day. That cold front is currently expected to remain over the Great Lakes, so that's where the majority of the rain will be. Look for temperatures on Saturday and Sunday to range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the higher elevations, upper 70s to mid 80s in the suburbs and along the immediate coast, and in the Delaware River Valley, lower to mid 80s. And then on Monday, a cold front will move through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the higher elevations, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the higher elevations, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.